Now a hesitation half Cuban maneuver brings him back into the center, and he'll present a slow roll. It looks easy, but it's very difficult for the pilot to execute accurately, and Dave does it very well and very slowly indeed, using all 3-axis controls of the aircraft, the rudders, streaming that smoke, using the power of that engine to keep it flying along straight and level there. So hanging motionless at the top of the climb, easing on the rudder to pirouette neatly about its axis and then diving back down towards the sea. Stand on top of the wing, climb around the aircraft, sort of things which aren't possible for health and safety reasons today, but with the wing walkers here, it's the next best thing, because you'll see from those two maneuvers pulling up as if he's going to loop, but showing us the topside view as the aircraft goes round in a barrel roll.
That was the last time any Lancasters flew together in any number.
Now we can see the fighters heading to rejoin the formation. One quick question for you. So this aircraft can fly up to 120 miles an hour. It normally cruises at 100 miles an hour. As you saw from that maneuver, can fly as slow as 0 miles an hour. Short of 200 miles an hour on that dive, pulling up. Over the top, and then they roll for the first of the 3 maneuvers. Then pulling up to repeat it once again. As the jets go upside down, boys and girls, this is where they'll see you.